Wings? Air fryer? Fugged about it! You heard me right, folks. We're diving into the world of crispy, delicious chicken wings without the mess and hassle of deep frying. You want crispy chicken wings without the deep fried guilt trip? Well, you're in luck because the air fryer is here to save the day. Imagine biting into a wing that's perfectly golden brown and crispy, but without all that extra oil. Forget standing over a pot of hot oil, we're going modern with the air fryer, see? It's quick, it's easy, and it keeps your kitchen clean. No more splatters, no more burns, just perfectly cooked wings every time. This recipe is so easy, even your Uncle Tony from Bensonhurst could handle it. Seriously, if he can do it, anyone can. Just follow a few simple steps and you'll have a plate of wings that will impress everyone. We're talking juicy, flavorful wings with a crunch that's out of this world. The seasoning is key here, folks. Get it right, and you'll have wings that are out of this world. So ditch the delivery menu, grab your air fryer, and let's get cooking. Lay out your ingredients, preheat that air fryer, and get ready to make some magic happen in your kitchen. This is gonna be epic! Gather your friends and family, because once they taste these wings, they'll be coming back for more. Trust me, this is one recipe you don't want to miss. All right, before we get started, let's round up the usual suspects. You're gonna need 2 pounds of chicken wings, tips removed, 2 tablespoons olive oil, extra virgin if you're feeling fancy, 1 tablespoon paprika, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, or less if you can't handle the heat, you big baby. Salt and black pepper to taste. See? Nothing too crazy. We're keeping it simple, just like Nona used to make. First things first, preheat that air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial because we want to make sure that the air fryer is hot enough to give our wings that perfect crispy texture. A preheated air fryer ensures that the wings start cooking immediately, locking in all those delicious juices. We want it nice and toasty in there. The heat will circulate evenly, making sure every wing gets that golden brown finish we all crave. Next, pat those wings dry with some paper towels. This step might seem small, but it's super important. Removing excess moisture helps the wings get that extra crunch when they cook. Trust me, you don't want soggy wings. We don't want no excess moisture messing with our crispiness, capiche? Dry wings mean crispy wings, and crispy wings mean happy eaters. Now, in a large bowl, mix together your olive oil and all those beautiful spices. The olive oil helps the spices stick to the wings and adds a nice layer of flavor. We're talking paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, salt, and black pepper. Feel free to get creative and add any other spices you love. The more, the merrier. Go on, get your hands dirty. Mixing by hand ensures that every wing is evenly coated with that flavorful spice mix. Add those naked wings to the spice mix and toss them around until they're all coated up like they're going to the prom. Make sure every inch of those wings is covered in spices. This is where the magic happens, folks. The spices will create a delicious crust that will make these wings irresistible. Carefully place the wings in the air fryer basket in a single layer. Make sure each wing has enough room to breathe. This is crucial for achieving that perfect crispiness. If the wings are too close together, they'll steam instead of fry, and we definitely don't want that. So take your time and arrange them nicely. Don't overcrowd them. They need their space to breathe and get all crispy and golden brown. Think of it like a dance floor. You need space to show off your best moves. The same goes for these wings. Give them room, and they'll reward you with that irresistible crunch. Air fry for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through until they're cooked through and looking like $1,000,000. Keep an eye on them as they cook. You'll know they're ready when they're golden brown and crispy. The aroma will be your first clue that they're almost done. Trust me, your kitchen will smell amazing. And there you have it, crispy, juicy, flavorful chicken wings that'll have you dancing the tarantella. These wings are perfect for any occasion, whether it's game night, a family gathering, or just a regular Tuesday. They're so good, you might not want to share. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes straight from my kitchen to yours. I'm always cooking up something new and exciting, and I'd love for you to join me on this culinary journey. Hit that subscribe button and never miss a recipe. So what are you waiting for? Grab a wing, dip it in your favorite sauce, blue cheese or ranch, the choice is yours, and savor every bite. The sauce is the perfect complement to the crispy wings, adding an extra layer of flavor that's simply irresistible. And let me know what you think in the comments below. I love hearing your feedback and seeing how your wings turned out. Did you try a different sauce? Maybe added some spices? Share your tips and tricks with the community? Buon appetito! P.S. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing recipes. Your support means the world to me, and I can't wait to share more delicious dishes with you. Until next time, happy cooking!